Hey, what's up guys? So if you have the water drop sediment filter, the filter comes in just like this. So this is the filter itself. Nice. Hey, what's up guys? So I want to change the water drop sediment filter. So first of all, make sure you have a bucket. You have this to release the water that's inside. Make sure you turn off all your valves. Open it up. It will drain. Okay. Get the tool. So it comes with a little tool just like this. This will slide in. Loosen it. Make sure it drains all out. Take it off. Okay, so this is the old one. You can see there. So it's been about 6 months, the case. So take them out. Grab your new one. Slide it in. And you put it back. Okay. Snug it. There you go. You change your sediment filter.